So this data sufficiency question is an interesting one because it's asking for a combination of unknowns. It's not asking for the price of a donut. It's not asking for the price of a bagel. It's asking for the combined price of 5 donuts and 3 bagels. So we're probably going to be able to answer that question without actually knowing the price of a single donut or the price of a single bagel, but by knowing some combination of those prices, we'll probably be able to answer this question. So let's look at that right after this. So I think I'd like to start with statement 2 in this case, because knowing the difference in price between a single donut and a single bagel couldn't possibly be sufficient to answer this question. I mean, I don't know if they're cheap. Like, it might be a very cheap bakery where their cost is 35 cents and 50 cents respectively. Or maybe it's a very expensive bakery where it's $31 for one and $31.15 for the other. There's really no way for me to tell, so it can't possibly be sufficient. Eliminate B and D. Now, statement 1 on its own gives us the combined price of 10 donuts and 6 bagels, which just so happens to be exactly double what they were asking about. Right? They wanted to know 5 donuts and 3 bagels. Now we know the price of 10 donuts and 6 bagels, so just take half of that and that would be the answer. So it turns out statement 1 is sufficient on its own because they exactly doubled the quantities of the donuts and bagels from what the question was asking about, and that's really the trick here. So statement 1 is sufficient on its own, and the correct answer is A. If you like this approach, be sure to check out my book. It's all in there. What do you want me to talk about in my next video? Type it down in the comments below, and maybe I'll make a video just for you. Make sure you're subscribed, and click that little bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.